Ladies and gents, hello. How's everybody doing on this gorgeous day? We are here in Roscoe, New York. The final stretch. Got under 20 miles to go. And I'm about to do one of the Catskill TT stages. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to pass some folks, I'm guessing, because you know how it is. There we go. Oh, it's actually nobody around, so we get the stage to ourselves. Let's have some fun. It's a really nice end of October day. Ended up being super warm, so look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Making sure it's recording. Look at the colors. And I have my gas light is on and all that. What up, kids? What up? I just waved it. Three-wheelers and it's all good, but this might be one of the last Catskill motorcycle rides of the season, because once we hit November, there's going to be very few opportunities like this. Nobody's fishing. Empty fishing spots. That's cool. Ooh, crossing double yellow. Not cool. But part of the fun. Love these spots here. I'm gonna pull over for a little photo shoot in a second. In this foliage of sorts. But yeah, this is not stage 1 of the TT, but it is one of the original stages. It's a nice pull off right here. Let's stop here sometimes. Look at this. How beautiful. Doesn't get much better than this. Beautiful. Look at this. Holy moly. What a blessing. Holy shit, dude. Go. Nice little sharp turn. Always sticks, always leaves. So we always underperform here, but this is all for fun. Little tractor. Love it. Look at these trees. There's a nice spot over here. Do I stop? It's cute. at this spot. Adorable. I think I will. Stop here for a little shoot of photos. Why not? Alright kids, I'll pick up this vlog in a few minutes, but I'm gonna stop here for a minute. Alright, we're back. Quick little break. We're gonna get back into writing. Boom boom. Resume. Just got a few more miles. This trip always takes a little bit longer than I expected to. Let's coast. Beautiful. Oh, man, what a gorgeous day. What a gorgeous weekend this is going to be. Well, except for Sunday. So that's going to be pure wetness. Really enjoying this gear. I don't know if I mentioned it. Aether apparel, Divide jacket and pants. I got full Gore-Tex, windproof Gore-Tex Pro at that. Bumpy over here. There's usually cops right here, so I always slow down a little bit. We just like to hang out. And I say, not today, copper. Not today. Not today, Lucifer. It's funny. I have 14 miles to go and only 17 miles of gas left, so we'll figure it out. Definitely gonna get some gas. Earlier today I even pulled a little wheelie. That was semi-fun. Lots of coppers right around here, so we'll just mind our P's and Q's. No need to discuss anything with them at this juncture. Beautiful. Look at the colors. Gorgeousness. So glad I did this. Thought about taking a bus and this and that, and it's like, nah. This is the right move. I don't know why it's showing at this paw right there, so we'll just take it easy. We'll just relax. Yep, all good. Cute little Jeep. I like it. I don't know why it's showing me cops right there, because they created a new exit over here just now, like no, not just now, but in the last year or so, right over here. And I think that's where supposedly the copper is sitting, right around this bend. Yeah, I see him. Pulled somebody over. That's a fact. There is indeed a cop there. cannot indeed touch me. Soaking it in. I yap too much. Should do more videos where I'm just enjoying the cruise. I love this section because you kind of go under the overpass here. It's always wet, always damp. But it is nice that one gas tank is plenty for me to get up to the house. Sometimes I stop right here. It's a nice relaxing spot. Quiet. Look how sunny it is. Turned out to be the most gorgeous day. It's funny, I was riding for the last, 140 some miles, and it's been cloudy, it's been overcast, and now of course it's gorgeous. Turns, lovely. And I'm in touring mode. I'm not even sending it by any means. Just chilling, just enjoying myself. Gotta adjust that mirror a little bit wonky. Nice pull off as well. The windy. Look at all the reds. I love the yellows and the orange, but it's the reds that get me. What a treat. What a treat. A little bit bumpy, but 100% gorgeous. Always kind of half expect a cop with his lights on behind me. One of these days, you know. Bike has almost 6,500 miles. By the time I get back to the city, I'm gonna have 66. less than 10 miles on the tank. Gorgeous. Look at this. But that was a copper. Detained. And just like so, we are here to you. And here we are. Here we be. Beautiful. Lovely. So lovely around here. Alright, boys and girls. I'm gonna... Oh my god, that person is backing up on the highway. That's smart. Alright, I'm gonna get some gas and some provisions. And I'll talk to you all later. Thank you for watching.